WiFi Cash Bot review. Welcome back, digital entrepreneurs. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to WiFi Cash Bot, an amazing all-in-one income system that activates multiple revenue sources in under 30 seconds. It doesn't need any experience, expensive tools, or a laptop, just a smartphone, internet access, and a few clicks to start earning, according to the creators. Stick around for exclusive bonuses worth more than $15,000. Let's see some amazing features of WiFi Cash Bot and understand what it can do for us. 1. One-tap activation. It only takes 30 seconds and a single tap to launch the system. No setup, headaches, no learning curve. Just tap your phone and let the automation begin. 2. 5 built-in income streams. From affiliate commissions to ad revenue and AI-generated profits, WiFi Cash Bot runs multiple streams of income at once, all on autopilot, so you earn passively while doing other things. 3. Zero tech skills needed. You don't need to be tech-savvy. Whether you're 18 or 80, the step-by-step training and done-for-you setup make it easy for total beginners. 4. Works on any device, anywhere. As long as you've got Wi-Fi and a smartphone, you're in. It works on iPhone, Android, tablets, and even old laptops. No downloads or fancy hardware required. 5. No content, no camera, no selling, no filming, no face on screen, and no awkward sales tactics. You stay completely anonymous while the bot does the work in the background. It is a low one-time offer. Also, they have a money-back guarantee, so if this tool doesn't work for you, you can return it to the developer. So it's totally risk-free. Take advantage of this amazing opportunity. If you want to check out the WiFi Cash Bot at any point, go ahead and click the link in the description. Now let's see the OTOs of WiFi Cash Bot. First, we have already seen the WiFi Cash Bot front end. To check all the OTOs, check the link in the description. The first OTO is Unlimited Edition for $47. Second OTO is 100% Done For You Edition for $67. Third OTO is Unlimited Traffic for $67. Fourth OTO is Automation for $47. Fifth OTO, AI ATM Edition for $37. Lastly, the sixth OTO is a license rights for $97. Here are the powerful bonuses that you will get with the WiFi Cash Bot if you decide to go with it. Done for you setup, weekly live Q&A sessions, quick start guide, and 10 extra secret money-making bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you'll be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. Let's be honest, nothing changes unless you do something different. WiFi Cash Bot is already working for thousands. It's your turn. Hit that button, grab your access, and start seeing what it feels like to finally win online. No fluff, no stress, just results delivered straight to your screen.
Fearless.